Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make my mother's favorite vegetable soup. My mother is in Ghana. I've not seen her for over 10 years, and today I want to make her favorite vegetable soup for her. And the primary ingredient for this vegetable soup is okra and pumpkin leaf. This vegetable soup you are seeing is very easy, simple and healthy as well. I'm sure you clicked this video because you want to see how I made this particular vegetable soup. Then let's dive right into the video. Before we proceed in making the soup, let's prep our recipes, and we are going to start with the mackerel fish. I will wash this off the camera. After washing it, I will get back to you. After washing the fish, Virtuous family, this is the beautiful stuff we have. The next thing is to go and steamer the fish. Alright? Yeah, I'll get back to you. So the fish is on the pot already. Now the next thing we will do is to add the pepper mix. I have only scotch bonnet pepper and onion here. I don't have any other thing apart from the scotch bonnet pepper and onion. I will add it. Please use pepper as you can tolerate, okay? And after that, this is my mix seasoning. This I will add a little water. After that, I will stir in the ingredients. As I earlier said, this is my mother's best way of making vegetable soup. It is very quick, easy and healthy as well. After stirring in the ingredients, I will cover and allow it to boil. While the fish is on the heat simmering, let's prep other of our recipes. And I will be starting with okra. I will slice it anyhow I like because I will be blending it very smooth. You can also decide to give it any shape of your choice. There is no problem about that, okay? After this, I will also prep the vegetable. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a beautiful videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up because I really need your support on that aspect, and also share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment as you keep watching. I'll set this aside before blending it, and then I will prep my leaf. This is pumpkin leaf. It is the only vegetable I'm going to use for this soup. It is called okra in my dialect. Please, what is pumpkin leaf called in your own dialect? I find out from my research that it is only in West Africa that you can see this pumpkin leaf. Please, do tell me what it is called in your own dialect, alright? This vegetable is one of the healthiest vegetables I've ever seen. Africans, we have healthy vegetables that we are blessed with. This pumpkin leaf is so healthy. It contains calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. Also, it provides a good source of vitamin C, A, B2 and E. Please, if you know more, let's discuss that in the comment section, okay? As you keep watching, before I forget, I want to tell you that before cutting this vegetable and the okra, I washed them off the camera before that. Mainly the vegetable, I use salt and enough water to wash it until the water is totally clear. You can as well use vinegar to achieve that, okay? Make sure you wash it very thoroughly because that part is very important so that you will not be eating sand when eating the vegetable soup, alright? If you try this simple vegetable soup, you will never have to eat your vegetable soup any other way. It is simple, easy, and very healthy as well. So I'll set this aside and get back to you. Once I'm done cutting the vegetable, the next thing I want to do now is to blend the okra. And I will blend it, I will add it into the blender carefully. I will add a little water to it, cover and blend until smooth. Now it is nicely blended, as you can see. Now let's check on the fish. Wow, this is really lovely. For the fish not to disintegrate, I will off the gas and then remove the fish before adding any other thing. I don't want to hear any story that the fish disintegrates. Alright. Have you liked this video? Please like this video, Kwano, to support my ministry. This ministry needs a very huge support from you. Okay? Yeah, this is what we got. This is my first time of using head of fish in this channel, but because my mother likes head of fish, that is the reason why I have to put head of fish in my today recipe. Okay? Please do bear in mind that in this soup you can use any protein of your choice, but I bet you that if you have not tried mackerel in your vegetable soup, just try it today after watching this video sharp because you're gonna like it. Alright? Once I'm done removing the fish, the next thing I will add is crayfish, just a little bit. You can also decide to skip this, there's no problem about that. Alright, I will stir to combine. Add a little water, just a little water. Stir one more time, cover and allow to boil. Once the stock is well boiled, the next thing I will add is the blended okra. After blending it, I will mix it with the stock until well combined. Keep watching. Please, have you liked this video? If you have not liked this video, do me a favor by liking this video. Subscribe to this channel for amazing video like this. Okay? Mix and mix until the stock and the okra is well combined. This is my native vegetable soup, and it is the best way my people cook their vegetable soup. How do you cook your vegetable soup? Because I find out even on YouTube here that there are a lot of ways to cook vegetable soup, and I have a lot of videos of vegetable soup on this particular channel, but today I decided to bring my native vegetable soup right here so that you will also see how we enjoy it outside YouTube. As you can see, it is well combined and this okra is very slimy. For me, on this native vegetable soup, I don't like seeing any okra. I like it very smooth like this. If you are the type that likes seeing okra, you can as well cut it any size of your choice so that you can be seeing the okra little, okay? This is the way we cook it in my side. So this is done. Once that is well stirred, I will add my vegetable immediately. Remember, this is vegetable. With okra itself is a vegetable. You don't supposed to allow it to overcook. And I will be adding it bit by bit. I add, I stir. I add, I stir. Once the vegetable and okra is well combined, the next thing I will add is the fish. I will carefully add the fish because I don't want it to scatter or disintegrate, and I will stir it in to combine. Very careful with it because I don't want to hear story about the fish. Once that is stirred in, I will add the periwinkle. I will as well stir very carefully. This is the best way we enjoy vegetable soup in my place, okay? And this vegetable soup is very healthy. It is simple, but our body needs vegetable, as we all know. Once that is done, I will cover and allow it to cook together for just 3 minutes. Remember, it is vegetable, you don't have to overcook it, so that all the nutrients will be intact after cooking. Wow! After 3 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. This is beautiful, right? Yes, it is really beautiful. Now let's check and balance this test. As you know, in this channel, this is my very best part. Okay. This is absolutely delicious. No pepper to add, no seasoning cube, no salt. Everything is well balanced. Now let's remove it from the heat and dish it. On this junction, Virtuous family, our vegetable soup, my best way of cooking vegetable soup, my mother favorite way of cooking vegetable soup is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. I'll be using this native pot to serve her the soup. In my place, this native pot is called Okro. I don't know what it's called in English anyway. So this is the way we enjoy it in my place. We add it just like so, and you will see a lot of way my people used to eat vegetable soup today. Okay. My mother liked more vegetable soup, so, and to this we use fresh oil just like so to eat this vegetable soup. We don't add oil directly to the pot when cooking it. We use fresh oil to eat the vegetable soup, and man, it's always very nice. Try this type of vegetable soup and you will thank me later. Try it and give us your feedback on all our social media handles. Virtuous family, we are done. As you already know, I have to go and serve my mother this particular vegetable soup because she loves it so much. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as I enjoy bringing it at your doorstep. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. Try this recipe because it is easy, simple and healthy as well. This is all we have for you for today's video. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.